Good morning to all. This is Srinivasa Parmal. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 4 linear equation into variable exercise 4.3. Last question. Question number 8. In countries like USA and Canada, the temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, and whereas in countries like India it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts a Fahrenheit to Celsius. The equation is F is equal to 9 by 5 times of C plus 32. The first question. Draw the graph of linear equation in above using a Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. So the first point. We just mentioned Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Then the given equation F is equal to 9 by 5 times of C plus 32. So just substitute the values of Celsius in terms of 0. So before that, we just replacing the F and C in terms of x and y equation. So in our convenient, the y is equal to 9 by 5 times of x plus 32. That means first substitute the values of x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 9 by 5 is multiplied by 0 plus 32. Then value of y is equal to 32. So the point is 0, 32 is a point. Solutions of the given linear equation. The next one. So denominator term is 5. So just I substitute the multiple of 5 in x. So x is equal to 5. Now y equal to 9 by 5 times of 5 plus 32. After cancelling this, 9 plus 32 is equal to 41. So this point 5 comma 41. So we need to draw a line. So the 2 point is enough to draw a line. The graph x-axis in Celsius and y-axis in Fahrenheit. So from our point, the x value and y, if x is equal to 0 means we getting y is equal to 32, and x is equal to 5 means we getting y value is 41. So we need to draw this line. So before that, we just consider the units, scalings. So in our convenient, I fixing x-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 degree Celsius. Then y-axis 1 unit is equal to 4 degrees Celsius. So it is for our convenient. So you may choose different value. In first point, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 32. That means x 0 and y 32 means 8 cross 4 is 32. So this position. The next one, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 41. So x is equal to 5 means this position and y is equal to 41. So 41 means 10 position is a 40 and 1 above. So this point. So this point is 0, 32 and this position is 5, 41. And this line is a given linear equation. Y is equal to 9 by 5 times of x plus 32. In question number 2, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? In our equation, F is equal to 9 by 5 times of C plus 32. The given value, the C is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. So just replacing. F is equal to 9 by 5 is multiplied by 30 plus 32. So after cancelling this, we are getting 9 is multiplied by 6 plus 32. So 54 plus 32, then final value is 86. From the given point, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, the same value in a Fahrenheit is 86 degree Fahrenheit. The next one, the reverse process. If the temperature in a Fahrenheit, that means 95 Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in degrees Celsius? The same for reverse process. So the given term, F is equal to 9 by 5 times of C plus 32. So just replacing F instead of 95 degree Fahrenheit, that means 95. So 95 is equal to 9 by 5 times of C plus 32. So just move this term into left side. So 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 times of C. After cancelling, we are getting 63 is equal to 9 by 5 times of C, but we need C only. So just move for this side. So C is equal to 63 is multiplied by 5 divided by 9. After cancelling this, we are getting 7 times. So C is equal to 7 times of 5, that means 35 degrees Celsius. So the meaning is temperature of 95 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 35 degrees Celsius. Question number 4. If the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? The first condition. Zero degrees Celsius. That means C value is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. So the given term F is equal to 9 by 5 times of C plus 32. So C value is 0 means F is equal to 9 by times of 0 plus 32. So the final value F is equal to 32 degree. So the name is 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. The case 2. The temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, we need to find the Celsius value. So the same equation, F is equal to 9 by 5 times of C plus 32. Now the values of F is equal to 0 degree Fahrenheit. That means 0 is equal to 9 by 5 times of C plus 32. Then this term is moving to left. Minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 times of C. Then we are getting C only. C is equal to minus 32 is multiplied by 5 and divided by 9. So after simplifying, we are getting the final answer is minus 17.8 degree. That means 0 degree Fahrenheit is equal to minus 17.18 degree, 8 degree Celsius. Now the last case. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same for both Fahrenheit and degree Celsius? If yes, we need to find it. So it's very simple. So the question condition is both Fahrenheit and Celsius are equal. So just replacing maybe F is equal to C or C is equal to F. Now I replacing the C in terms of F. The given question, or we may choose a common term for X. So it's our convenient. F is equal to 9 by 5 times of C plus 32. So just replacing the common term X. So X is equal to 9 by 5 times of X plus 32. Then so take a common term in both sides, the same side. So X minus 9 by 5 times of X is equal to 32. Then X is a common term, just take it. 1 minus 9 by 5 times of X is equal to 32. So just X is equal to 5 minus 9 divided by 5 is equal to 32. Then X into minus 4 divided by 5, 32. So this term is a common. So just cancelling, we getting 8. So minus x divided by 5 is equal to 8, but we need x only. So just move this term opposite side. So x is equal to 5 into 8 is 40, and also minus sign, minus 40 degree. Now the minus 40 degree is the temperature which is numerically same for both Fahrenheit and Celsius. 40 degrees Celsius. That means a 40 degree. Thank you.